for today. Oh, titingin-tingin pa sa vlog eh. Yoko na nga. So, ito na po guys, ang aming mga adventure. Hi! How's your, good. Ready for taping?
Ay, wala! Wala.
Dapat, dito ka! Itong mga catcher ko, mga mahihina.
Ano may tsura ng catcher mo? O, paano yung barbecue?
Wala tayong ulam nito ng isang isang linggo.
Paano ka catcher? Wala pa. Side na to.
Kasama namin guys, kumakain lang palagi. Lagi lang kumakain. Hindi naguhuli ng Kaitlyn. Ito, ready na siya sa ng Kaitlyn. Dapat hindi niya ginagawa. Ay, dito na! Dito na ako! Katie! Dito, dito! Ay! Yan o! Pupunta sa'yo lahat! Yan! Yan! Sige pa! Yan! Yan! Yay! Ayun pa, kid! Madami din ako! Halika dito, 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 dito. Dito, oh. Ha? Yan, 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 yan. Dito, 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 dito. Dito, dito, dito. Sige pa, sige pa. Dito, oh. Nandito na!
Wait lang. Ano yan? Magagalan yan.
Dito na. Wait lang. Huwag mong ano yun kasi baka na yun dito. Wait lang, wait lang. Kasi papunta dito.
Ano?
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 Ano eh?
Dito, dito. Papunta dito naman. Dito na ako! Dito, dito. Yan, yan, yan. wait lang. Dito, pupunta sila dito eh. Yan. Ay! Di pa sabay nun! Sige! Ay. Dito kayo. Yan. Dito na. Dito oh. Yan. Ay, nagugulat ko sila. Tignan mo. Wow. Wak, nak. Kate, tignan mo. Apa ka ulit ka? Ito na po. So guys, this is what happened today. So we're supposed to rest only because we have a plan for next week. But then we just, while resting, we just saw the post in Facebook that too many Capelin are rolling here in Holly Road Beach. So we decided to drive in here, like 35 minutes drive, and then yeah. Katie did a good job in catching the fish, even if our net is not so good. So this is my little family. Hi, Kid. Hi. And this is the Lala. Hi. And this is the place. See how beautiful. And we had our lunch here, and now is already 6:30 in the evening, but still the sun is shining. You see that the sun is shining brightly, and still so many people are here. So I'll show you. What's the name of this one, no? Jet ski.
Yung sa ano yun, speedboat.
He's
Jet ski.
speedboat, no?
Can I try?
He's showing his speedboat. Seems like he has a show in here.
Jet ski.
Sorry.
Speedboat.
Yeah, the other one is speedboat, and he has a jet ski in here, so he's having a show. So Katie is tired after catching all the Capelin. And somebody sleeping in the other side. Oh my God! Buwis buhay na si ate. So yan. Yan na naman ang mga naiisip nila. So, ito na nga yung mga ginagawa nila. Anong gagawin niyo dyan, Labs?
Linisin.
Lilisen.
Ito.
Sanat, ano yan?
Tapos gagawin nila yung daing. Pwede na rin po yung pang-ulam. It's gonna be our,
Maganda yung sa'yo, matalim.
Pakita mo lang.
Ready dito.